My name is Teresita Quiliano Guhuco. I am 38 years old. I have 3 kids. 18 years old, 16 years old, and 5 years old. I have 2 daughters and 1 son. I'm a 4th siblings. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. My first experience in abroad 2012 until 2014 in Kuwait. You are finished my contract. Next, 2015 until 2017 and Qatar. You are finished contract also. Thank you.